Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Scooby, Jason, Nick, Kenny, Marcin, Keegan, Daniel Mid, iTrade, Danny Siebers, Matt O'Rourke, Robin, LaChaos, Corey, Kevin Tobias, Andres, Slick Rick, the Ruler. Here's an oldie but goodie. Hit it. CT Raps. Jason. That's okay, man. It's okay, bro. Par for the course. Par for the course. I'm sure I don't really know anybody who never blows accounts. At some point, you want to tighten things up and not blow 4 accounts in a day. But, you know, who am I to say anything? I blew 10 funded accounts yesterday. You unpaid yourself, Robin. Come on. Now that we've talked about this before, you can't unpay yourself. Coach Canute, MCC, Bowser. Joe, Nick, I got a lot of hours of sleep. I got more hours of sleep last night than I have in the 2 nights before that combined. Debt 5. Ian. CT, Carlos. Yo, 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 yo. Let me log into my accounts. I actually got to upgrade. I got to activate this other funded Apex account. I haven't really. I did take one trade today. I took one trade before, and then I had to run to. I had to run out to the store, get myself some creamer for my coffee. You know, can't be drinking coffee without the creamer. Although I wish I could drink coffee black, I just can't. It doesn't do anything for me. Otherwise, you know, because the creamer that I use is awful. How about gold? How about gold hitting new all-time highs again? Gold's at, gold might hit 3,400 today, although it's at a pivot point on the daily. Gold is at 33.56. And the spot price of gold is at like 33.30 something. I'm so glad I own physical gold. Come and try to take it. I love gold. I don't need to be trading it because I hold that shit. I mean, Jesus. J Money, cream her. J Stores. Yeah, dude, I was exhausted yesterday. I don't like trading exhausted. Debt 5, what up? You can't log. What are you getting? What's the message you're getting? Are you logging in from multiple devices? Because if that's happening, you will get that type of error. JK, what up? Bob Hall. Tony Gold. Simon. LaChaos. Gold. It's so crazy. It's up. It hit that new all-time high. Well, it just kept making new all-time highs, and it kind of settled around literally right at 3,200. It dropped from 3,200 to it actually dropped under 3,000 to like 2,970. It's up almost 400 points from there. What up? Yo, what up, Smoke, aka Warrior? What up? Franny. J Money, it's not dairy. It's worse than dairy, bro. I don't really consume dairy. I do eat pizza, but I don't drink milk. I haven't drank milk. I haven't had a glass of milk because it does a body good in probably 15 years. P Shenanigan. You ever notice that cows don't drink human breast milk, and sheep don't drink cow's milk, and cows don't drink sheep's milk? There's a reason for that. But for us, we're supposed to drink that shit. Anyway, Evan Cortez, what up? Drewski, King Delay. Yeah, what's happening? Let me log into my account. Let me just show my screen. I didn't show my screen yet. This thing is dropping though. They had that, there was that little, literally leading up to when Jerome came on, jerk off Jerome. There was like a 60-point pop. And since then, we literally rejected at 600. Take Jillian, take Romeo with you. He wants to go out now. Thank you. We dropped from 600. We dropped 470 points. It's crazy. Oh, we're approaching 5% now too. Kevin Tobias, Great Dane, Renee, Drewski. You Gabagool. We're having some pasta fazul over here. All right. Let me show my screen. Let me hide all my OnlyFans tabs. Hold on, guys. I got to close my OnlyFans tabs. All right. I do have to activate this Apex account too. Dave P, Bradley, Vito, Tickle. The whole gang's here. JC Trades. Let's go, Brandon. P Shenanigan. I think I said what's up to you, but what's up again? I think I got everybody. I didn't miss anybody, did I? I didn't miss anybody. Cool. Saris, Mikey, V33 in the place to be. All right. Where do I start? I'll start here. This is the easiest one to show. I successfully got flip days in. Look at that. We just bounced 44 points. I successfully flipped my 3 past take profit trader accounts. And that's I'm only semi proud of that because I've also unpassed a few recently. So we got the job done. And I kind of, if there was any doubts about the 50% consistency, I kind of maybe squashed it. But I'm only on day 3. I still need 2 more days to flip. So that's that. And then, hold on. And then I traded last night. This was that Apex account that was brand new yesterday that I got up $1,150. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I blew it. I just kept losing. And what's funny was when it happened, it was around like 9:30, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern. I saw it was going to drop. I was like, this shit's going to drop. I wanted to go short, and I'm just an idiot. I don't know. I knew what happened was going to happen. I knew it was right here. It was right here. I knew this was going to happen, and why do I know things are going to happen and then I go against myself? I was actually in short originally. Took a long. I got stopped out, and then actually I got stopped out like right around here, and then I started going against it around here. I don't even know. I knew it was going to happen, so that's gone. But these are 4 of the 20 I had. These 4 are up 735. They're up $2,541 through 4 days. So maybe I could take these, maybe I won't. Whatever. I just got paid from Top Step $3,242. So not a complete waste. As long as I'm getting payouts from somewhere. I would like to get payouts from Apex though. And then I have to activate this one. This was from yesterday. I have to activate this. Obviously, I missed a massive jump, right? A massive pop right there. And then, let me show you my Top Step accounts. They took the money out, and I decided to get another day 1 in. So I have 4 XFAs. These 3 have day 1 in the books after getting paid, right? Just need 4 more $200 days. I don't need to do anything crazy, although I did want to do something crazy on the first day. This is what I got, and I'm fine with that. Is this dog really going to be fucking doing this to me? I need my wife to come home. Oh, she's not going to be home anytime soon. Greg, what up? What up, Ron with the large pip? Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. Racky boy. Jay Jackson. Whoo! Roro, hot shot. Tukey. This dog. So that's those three, right? And they're already at $1,200, right? So let's say I just get 4 more days of $200. Then I'll be able to request another $1,000 times 3. Obviously, I need to get the job done. Sometimes getting 200 could be the hardest thing in the world for some people, like myself. Hopefully, that's a thing of the past. Oh, and I got this brand new one. What did I do on this one? Hey, 500 smackers for the new one. I'll take it. Good first day. Not a killer first day, but I'll take it. It's funny how I'm like trading. I'm trading like a G in Top Step. For me, at least. Obviously, there's people who'll do $5,000 a day. God bless them. I'm not fucking competing with anybody. Hold on a sec. This motherfucker. The fuck do you want? He probably wants to eat. Mommy's not going to be home for a while. Anyway, damn. Maximus. Dave Pastor. Zabak. Debt 5. I mean, we're in April. Wasn't Apex supposed to be out of business by now? Pretty sure everybody said Apex was going to be out of business by April because of this bullshit lawsuit. Marcin. I'm leeching off a Top Step now. Not even Apex, just Top Step. GMAT. Christy. The Honest Take. You're connected from both your phone and your laptop. Is it just not letting you log in, or did you have to like do a verification? Just let it kind of chill out. Just let it chill out. Stop logging in from your phone and your computer all the time. Josh, The Honest Take, Coach Marvin. Bowser, nice. 3 for 6, bro. I love it. This dog's not going to leave me alone. I can't wait. This guy's going to torture me. Watch your. Oh, whatever. He's standing on my cord. Josh, 3 years later. Storm, what up? Hell yeah, man. Good job. Maximus, are you talking about Jade Cap? He'll get his money. They might kick him off the platform. They might say you can't trade with us anymore. And then people are going to be outraged about that. Go ahead. Be mad about it. It's like the dude's about to get paid $3 million. They're gonna look, though. They're gonna go dig. They're gonna look at every single trade and hope they can find a reason to deny his payout request. Chopsticks, what's good? Oh, you lost an email you've been babying, and it's Mikey, man. As your client, being that you're my risk manager, just flush it, man, and just get another one. That's all you can do, right? At least it wasn't a funded account. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. By the way, Apex is doing 80% off until the end of the month, in case anyone's interested. 80% off, any size eval, using the best code ZERODAYJAY. The big accounts, the 150s, 250s, and 300s are all about $60, a little less than $60. Same price. They were actually, the 250s and the 300s were actually less money on the previous promotion. But the other shit, like, the 25s and the 50s, which are the best ones to get, they're their usual price at 80% off. Let me just do this real quick. Look at this drop. This is crazy. Crazy, I tell you. It's crazy. It's pandemonium. I mean, my opportunity to play that bounce came and went. Like, we did bounce 133. We bounced like 80 points. That was quick. But it was over right before. It was over just as quickly as it happened. What did Jerome say that was so bad? Are they not gonna lower rates? Is that what happened? Look, Jerome giveth and Jerome taketh. Where are we at on the chart? Oh, at this pivot point. Well, we fell out of the golden shower pocket on this 4-hour fib I had. Look at this. We were look at see this. We were holding strong. This is the 4-hour chart. We kept bouncing off the oh, that's interesting. I wish I noticed that. We kept bouncing off of the 618 on this fib on the 4-hour chart. I started around the 10th. The 10th was where I started it. And we kept hitting our head. Aside from this crazy wick right here, we hit our head on the bottom orb here, and then we dumped. It finally gave it up. It couldn't hold anymore. The orb. Is that when we bounced? What was that? Right here? No. Where Jerome came on right here. Oh, it was this. This was the bottom orb rejection. Right here. This was the last one. And then this was when Jerome came on. See that? We kind of popped here. We were dropping, then we popped, pulled back a little bit, popped some more, and then Jerome came on. Jerome came on right here, literally. Crazy. NASDAQ to Granny, please. CTG, what up? Life with 12 dogs. Benjamin, what up, man? Mitch Matsuno, thank you, HR. Thank you, sir. I don't think it's coming back to the VWAP anytime soon. The VWAP is, well, it's not, I mean, it's 300 points away. I don't think we're going to come back to the VWAP today unless Trump comes on and says, Jerome's a little bitch. I'm going to slap him next time I see him. Then the market might go crazy. But I don't think he's going to say that. What up, Chris Daly? Crypto student, what's good? No, I missed all of this. I didn't catch any of this. But it's okay. Almost all of my accounts are where I want them to be. So we're good. K-Spec. Ed Sod. Yeah, he did. Clearly. Hot shot. Victor. Marco. Oh, nice. You passed your 150K Top Step account. Nice. You know what's crazy about the 150Ks or any size Top Step account? You could you still just need to get $200 a day. Isn't that amazing? Corgo. Eddie, what up? He didn't say anything, huh? Maybe that's why the market reacted unfavorably, because he didn't say anything exciting. Who knows? K-Spec. We're like, I don't know. We're almost there. We're almost at 5%. When is this thing going to flip? Shit charts. I mean, wealth charts. It hasn't flipped. It takes a few minutes. It takes a little longer for wealth charts to update with the new account than it takes TradeAvate. The VWAP, Jason. Nice, Bowser. The VWAP is up here around, it's at like 18,540 in that area. Which at that spot, there's a lot of resistance. You got all this right here and here. I just don't know if we're going to go up that far. Non-wealth charts. Poverty charts. Give me my shit. The only thing I like about wealth charts is $20 cheaper per month to activate a funded account. But yeah, while I'm waiting for this thing to flip, might as well drop some lanks. Like I said, Apex is 80% off. Oh, I didn't notice that. 80% off Apex with the best code. Miss Goody. Yeah, pretty much, Miss Goody. Pretty much, except for 4. 4 right here are good. These are the last 4 standing from those 20. It's okay, Miss Goody. I just got paid $3,242 from Top Step. What are you going to do? I suck. I suck. I don't know what to tell you. Sorry I let you down. All I could do is just keep moving forward. Uncle Mo, what up? Alfred Sicoli, what's good? If he says that, everyone gets a take profit trader on Bradley. Where's the Don? Where is he? Let me hit up the Don and tell him to say it. Oh, there we go. It's ready to go. I don't necessarily want to trade this. Is this going to keep dropping, or is this going to bounce 40 points out of nowhere? Corey. Twan on. Have I gotten a payoff on Take Profit Trader? No. Because I had an account. I had an account the other day that I took over the buffer, and I decided to keep trading it. So I would have had another. It would have been my third day one payout, and I decided to be a greedy little prick. And I basically, I didn't unpay myself because obviously the day didn't end and I didn't request, but I fucked myself. That's for sure. Khan, what up? Mikey lost some respect for me. I mean, I'm at $5,242 for the month in payouts this month. It could be worse. It could be worse. Also, in case you guys were wondering, Take Profit Trader is still 30% off. Just ain't right. Mwah! 30% off Take Profit Trader, plus no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. My funded futures. Look, see? That's why I was like, oh, should I go short? No, look, it just bounced like 30 points. We just bounced like 30 points. Just like that. And just like that, we did bounce 30 points. Scary. Let me move this down. Scary. Just a casual 30-point bounce. I definitely don't want to be trading 10 minis. Don't want to do what I did yesterday where I literally traded the wrong account and fucked myself out of a perfectly good funded account. Also, we got My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures, you could get 40 for the week, 40% off the eval to live accounts, which puts the one that you have to pass twice. You basically have to pass a 50K twice. Jesus Christ. You think somebody's dying over here? I can still hear them. 40% off any size. 40% off either one of those eval to lives, which puts the one that you have to pass twice at $119. And then 5% off anything else. 5% off everything else, including resets, using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Excuse me. Trade day is still 40% off. Bulenox is 83% off. Bulenox is 83% off. Option one. I think it's like 20. I think it's 50Ks or bigger. Only get the 50K. They brought back 83% off. Not quite as good as 91% off, but it's better than. It's definitely better than 75% off. That's for shit sure. Central, what up? Would I get a 500K funded if I had the chance? Probably not. It depends on the prop firm. Josh. Stock Tiger. What happened? There's a couple people. What up, Sean? How my big Apex? How's that big account? That account's gone, bro. Cody Mullins, what up? Vito. I blew that account, Stock Tiger. I suck, bro. I suck. 40% off trade day with the best code ZERODAYJ. I had it up like fucking Hey, whack. I had it up. Look at this. Oh my God. This is what I'm talking about. Wow. Did we just bounce like 60 points? Is the 34 going to hold here? Oh, it didn't film me, you fuck. Yo, I just hit the. I literally just hit sell market and nothing happened. Awesome. Thanks. Dear Dave, thanks for the support, asshole. Yeah, look. Whatever. How many PA accounts do I have now? I have 5. And guess what? I'll get more. I don't care. I'm just going to keep pushing forward. At some point, I'm going to get paid on multiple accounts, and it's going to happen multiple times. So what am I going to do? Cry about it? It only bothers everybody else. It bothers everybody else more than it bothers me. Does it suck that it happened? Absolutely. Do I want to do it? Do I like blowing accounts? No. I'm playing a numbers game here. And I intend to win. At some point, I will be winning. Olivier, what up? Yeah, exactly. See that? I literally, you saw me on the button. I clicked it. I clicked it. Oh, wow. We bounced off the 9 here. This stuff is moving crazy. Does it go? Does it push further up? The answer is yes. Damn. Stock Tiger. Yeah, I'm the the biggest, the largest, the bestest ever. The goat. I'm the goat. I'm the goat of prop on these prop firm streets. The goat at sucking. Oh, Eminem, yeah. Next month is the 1 year anniversary of when Apex. That was basically when Leo decided he wanted to leave Apex and decided to fuck with everybody. Remember when the statuses kept flipping every 5 minutes? I know that was Leo. I just have this feeling in my loins. What a fucking bounce. 40 points right there. This shit's gonna keep going up. Where are we at? I'm so pissed because I missed the short and obviously I missed his bounce. Do I chase now? Like, what a bounce. We're up 83 points. Fuck it. I'll lock this in. Keep going down. Whatever. I got 300 bucks on that. I played it off the rejection off 200, basically. Probably going to keep going down. I wonder if the 34 becomes support. So I got 300 bucks on that trade. I had as much as 600. I liked 600 a lot more. What's interesting is we just formed a W, a Whack Arnold's W. Could we dump? It's going to keep going down now that I'm out of the trade, you know? Probably. We'll see. Maybe not. What up, Yash? You think we're going Black Beauty? What up? Also gifted. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Where are we at? This is interesting right here. You see this? I don't know if you can see it because I got a lot of shit going on here. We got you know what I could do? I'm going to get rid of this fib because it doesn't matter anymore. Now we can see a little bit better. See on the 15, well, on the 5, we got this channel right here. I wonder if we come up to this channel, up to the top, the bottom of this channel, this fractal right here, and reject. My Discord's going off like crazy. Hold on. The DCA gang Discord. What did I get out on that? Where did I get out? I got out at 90.75. It went down another 10 points. Damn. Nice job, Carlos. I love it. Jamila, what's up? This is the 5-minute 21 EMA. I feel like it wants to eventually work its way up here. If it comes, I don't know. It depends on what happens. If it doesn't drop below all this. I'm tempted. Jamila. Michael Gianos, what up? By the way, the best code for all those fucking links I dropped in the chat is ZERODAYJAY. For Take Profit Trader, Apex, bulenox, My Funded Futures, and Trade Day. If you want to support the channel, that's how you can. Obviously, the fact that you're hanging out right now is support enough. I appreciate you guys. If you ever use my code, thank you very much. If you plan on using my code, thank you. It is the best code. It does happen to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the Profitable Streets. I don't have any actual data to confirm this, but the degen data in the chat tells me this is the case. Look at that. See that? Damn. I got it at 90 before, but obviously I probably would have got stopped out. And I think it might go down more. I don't trust this. I don't trust this for a bounce. I don't trust it as it goes up. I mean, this is chop. This is chop. This is like the worst kind of shit to trade. I didn't trust it to go up. And then it does, right? It just went up what? It just went up 30 points. Now it's coming back. I don't trust this shit. At least I didn't go in. At least I didn't go in short thinking it was going to reject off the 34. So at least I showed some self-control by just not taking the trade. What up, Olisa? Degen data is better than real data. Yup. What up, Crouton? Pro Trader Mike, what's good? Yeah, one day closer on Top Step for sure. This is day one of the new XFA I passed when I was on Top Step TV yesterday. And then these three are the ones I just got paid on. They're all up $200. So day one in the book on those three. Day one in the book on all four. But these have a nice little, these are at just under 1,300 already. So those are good. And then I got these 4 Apex accounts at 2,500 after 4 days. So these have a good chance. I mean, anything could happen in the next 4 days, but these are looking really good. Let's just put it that way. I blew another Apex PA. That was the one I got yesterday. I suck. I'm just dumb. I do dumb shit. I see the market. I was right, and I went against my rightness, if that makes any sense. But that's what happened. I do that far too often. Is this going to pop now? Was that it? It did. Look at that. It bounced off the 1 minute 21. Here we go. 40 points. Am I in profit overall on Top Step? Yes, by hold on, I had it. Top Step. I'm just under $2,000 in profit on Top Step. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on. There we are. Total expenses, $6,871. Total payouts, $8,727. What's crazy is I got $7,980 worth of payouts from Top Step since March 11th. So in the last month, basically, I got this, and it only cost me this. So, I mean, I've tripled my money in the last 3 months. In the last 30 days. The last 34 days, I tripled my money. And I'm working towards more payouts. So my goal is to, oh my God, is to, expand that, obviously. So, I can't, what am I supposed to do? It's not happening for Apex. At least it's happening with Top Step. It's just a mental thing for me. Look at this fucking thing go. Look at that. What did I say? What did I fucking say? This shit is up how many points now? 60? I said, I mean, I didn't trust it here because I just don't trust Chop. I would love for it to come back down here. I don't think it's going to happen, though. Virtual trader. What about Apex? I got $2,000 from them early this month. Oh, you're talking about the tuition? Oh, it's awful. I don't even want to show you guys. It's so bad. I'll show you. I don't even fucking care. What are you guys going to do? Make fun of me? This is where I'm at. I was so close to paying off my tuition in February and March. And instead of getting 16 grand worth of payouts, because I was right there, I would be at break even. That's where, oh, hold on. There you go. That's from day one. That's from day one. Am I profitable with Apex since I got my first ever payout? Yeah. But, these are all the payouts I got. Oh, I got another. Oh, that's the last one I got? Hold on. Yeah, I guess so. It is what it is. I'll pay that shit off at some point. The tuition will get paid off at some point. Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Elemento, what up? They do. They don't take it. You just can't request more than 50%. So, like yesterday, these accounts were at like 20. I don't remember what they were at. 2,200. I don't remember. I requested 1,084 times 3, basically. 1,084, 1,084, and 1,074. So multiply that by 2. Well, I requested 3,242. So the accounts total, all 3 of those accounts were at like $6,400. $6,484. They let you take 50% of your profit for the first 30 days. I think I gotta feed this dog because my wife's not coming home anytime soon. He's gonna start fucking barking. Harry Hopkins, what up? I don't have those 20 accounts, knock, knock. Not even close to 20 anymore. It's fine. Look at that, man. Sovereignty, what up? Mufasa. JK. Harry Hopkins, what do you mean? No, we're talking about Apex and Top Step. Carlos, I don't want Top Step. If Top Step goes one day to pass, you know that they're going to go to fucking consistency on funded accounts. I'd rather it be this way. I'd rather it be the way it is now. We just bounced how many fucking points? 172. 72 points. I got 8 of it to the downside. Tova, what up? Oh, I need one day to request, you mean? Oh, I thought you were talking about you wanted one day to pass. Yeah, Carlos, you know what to do. You've been killing it lately. The real NV. On funded accounts with Apex, usually like 2 or 3. Damn, bro. Well, here's the 5-minute 21. We ain't coming back there. Let's see if we go short here. Or is it going to reject right off of this? Josh. Yeah, I don't even have access to that new dashboard yet. No, they're not one day to pass. They're thinking about doing it, though. They're thinking about going to one day to pass. But if they do that, they're also thinking about implementing a consistency rule on XFAs, which they don't have right now, which is a lot of the reason why people trade on Top Step, because there's no fucking consistency rule. Well, it rejected right off the 5-minute 21. Couldn't it come up a few more points? It's already down 20 points. Yeah, exactly. The 5-day, it's gonna change. What up, Michael Escorza? That's what they've been. That's what they've been this whole time since they've been. You know, what was that? What's their slogan? You guys know their slogan. I forgot exactly what it is. What up, Mufasa? It's all right, Vito. You got paid though. That's all that matters. Here we go. I'm scared. I would have liked that drop to happen. I would have liked that drop to happen. I would have liked it to come here and then fill me and then drop. Because now, oh shit, I'm taking it. I'm locking that in. Keep going. Keep going. Lucky guess. Another lucky guess. Come on, keep going down more. I'm trailing tight, obviously, but come on, a little bit more. I'll keep trailing tight. I don't want to have too big of a day. Hey, $907 on day one. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders. What up, Crouton? Is 1K a day on Top Step Combine too much on a 50K? No, 1,500 is where you want to be. I don't know what you're going for. I like to play half a smash. So I like to go for half. On a 50K, oh, that shit just dropped even more. Look at that. You see why I got in here? I didn't just put this over here as a guess, obviously. This was another area of chop. We rejected off like somewhere in the middle of it, which was right at the 5-minute 21, but I wanted to take a shot at the top of the zone where these candles started, where this area started, and where this was like moving into this one. And I literally got filled right on it. Lucky guess. That's gambling. I'll just lucky gamble, guys. Lucky gamble. So day one, $900, whoop-de-doo. I don't care. Talk to me when we're at day 8. And I got the fucking job done. Actually, no. But nice try. How many fucking accounts are you going to create? Anyway, fuck you. Eat a dick. I didn't spend that much, but that's cool. The guy, like, bro, how obsessed can you be with one person? I wish my wife was as obsessed with me as that person. It's crazy. Mr. Begbeef, what up? Oh, yeah, so you're good, bro. Crouton, you're fine. Do I find trading fun? Oh, my God. Oh, we got the algo candle. Yeah, I do, actually. Except for when I'm dialed in and I'm like, when I'm not making dumb fuck mistakes. That's when I get pissed. When I do shit I know I'm better than. What, you got filled on that? Yeah, it came down to the 9 and just popped. Holy shit. I mean, we're up. Maybe we will go to the VWAP. The VWAP's up here. Here's the lower the VWAP band. What a bounce. Here's my TradeMate accounts. I'm not touching those. What a bounce. That was like basically after that little pullback, 100 points. Boner can't. What up, Gary BB? What's my opinion on the eval to live accounts, Kevin? I'm not a huge fan of them personally. I'm not a huge fan of them. The biggest reason is like there's so many reasons. You have to on the smaller one that it's like $119 right now, which isn't bad. You get, first of all, you have $1,000 less drawdown than a 50K starter, and you have to pass a 50K twice just to get to the point where you can start making money. I'd rather pass a 50K once, not pay an activation fee, and then work to a payout in 5 days. But that's just me. I don't really see the appeal. I don't see what the appeal is. They have these plans because the fucking what were the other plans called? What were the other funded account, the straight to funded accounts they had? What were they called? They made these plans because they were losing money on, obviously. If they weren't losing money on them, they would have kept them. Cone Killer. There's no one Rilla. What up, Johnny? What's the best code for my fund of futures? ZERODAYJAY. You already know. Milestone. Yeah, Milestone, guys. Thank you. Yeah, the Milestone accounts. Coral Sky. What up? What up, Coral Sky? K-Spec. I mean, maybe it does fill it. Are we going to fill the gap all the way to the VWAP? Oh, there's no Lanks on your screen? Let me drop some more. I will in a second. I got to, damn, there's 300 people here? Hey, 300 people and 59 likes? I just took my brand new PA to $900. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Look at that shit go. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Nice job, Mufasa. Get up there, Alex. Yeah, well, that's the, Alex, exactly, bro. Like, but I respect it. I remember when they had that 25K milestone account, which was like the entry level one, but everybody was grabbing it and people were getting paid on it. And then it was supposed to go for like the entire month of October or November, whenever it was rolled out. And he cut it early, and he literally said it wasn't profitable for us. I respect that. I respect it. They're in a business. There's also nothing wrong with having a loss leader. Maybe the 50K starter is their loss leader. You need a loss leader to get people in the door. But man, that's why they got rid of those milestone accounts. That's why look at these accounts now. They're not very attractive. But I guess with a live account, you could get paid every day. But you have to pass on the cheaper one. You have to pass a 50K twice. And there's consistency rules and all this shit. I don't know. But they're 40% off right now. So if you want to try them, now's probably a good time to try them. You only get $1,500 a drawdown. Look at this go. Watch this. Just be careful because this next candle, the 54-minute candle has been sometimes better than the 55-minute candle. But if it's popping like this, the 55-minute candle might drop. It might dump it. Bada bing. Ree, what up? Must FOMO in. It's coming right now. It's going to come. What did I say? Oh, my. I told you. Look at that. Oh, my God. I told you. I wish I wish I wouldn't have. I'm done trading my tops up XFAs. That was 60. That was a quick 70 points. 70 points right there. Damn. You got to be careful. If that 54-minute candle is going up like that, it happens the other way too if it's going down. Not always, obviously, right? Just be careful. Maybe sit this out unless you're trying to do, a quick little passive smash. That was nuts. That was crazy, actually. Attaboy, Tukey. Lock in that fucking payout. Nice, bro. I love it. I can't wait to get back to taking some daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. Maybe on these three. Even if I could do it on one of the three, I'll be happy. Look at this. We're up 200. Wow, it came all the way back. We're up 280 points from the bottom. What up, Steve Funded? Trading Star, what's good? He lost. What up, Jimmy Kaffa? You lost all respect for the candle. Yeah, Tukey, yeah, bro. Hell yeah. There's nothing wrong with having the other prop firms, right? But it's nice getting paid every day while you're growing other accounts, while you're working the other accounts that require days and days and days. Bally, what up? Oh, shit, Bally. So what are you going to do, Bally? You're going to like try to push that really hard, or you're just going to keep growing the account like you've been? Scooby. 1,500 on a 50K, you got to grow that thing to like 5 grand. Yeah, you got to grow it to 5,000 exactly. It's not terrible. It's not like you got to grow it to 25 grand in profit like the other accounts I had. That shit dropped like 90 points and then bounced. 100. What? No, like 70. It dropped like 70 points, something like that. What do you think we're going to do? We're just going to keep going up? Is this going to act as support here? Here's the VWAP. Crazy that we're almost there. We're not even that far away, especially in this market, in this environment. Sven, what up? If I started a prop account from scratch with just a little money to start with, how would I manage it? Not like a degenerate. Exactly, Eddie. Exactly. You didn't lose the balance. You didn't lose the balance in the account. You lost whatever it cost you for those accounts. It's not real money. It's not real money until you request a payout and it gets approved. And the money gets deducted. Like, you see, like these 3 Top Step accounts, these XFAs, I just had 3,242 deducted from all 3 combined. That's real money. Tomorrow or Friday, the money will be in my bank account. That's real money. When I blow fucking accounts, yeah, it sucks. Obviously, it sucks. Okay? I'm not trying to blow accounts on purpose. All I'm saying is you lose the money, the cost of the accounts. You got dumb fucks coming in here saying, oh, shut the fuck up. You know? Making shit up. It's just weird how people come in here and do that. It's almost like it's really just one person. It's like everybody knows. Nobody cares. Nobody gives a shit. If anything, they feel better knowing that they're not the only ones that may have spent a little bit more on accounts than they got in payouts. It's not that big of a deal. It's like they're trying to turn people, like the fucking losers trying to turn people against me. Go ahead. I don't fucking care. TJP. It's one loser who wants to fucking smoke my poll. Sven, you can't just get a PA. You have to pass an eval to get that PA. You know what I'm saying? What up, Dilzik? TJP? Findy? Mike Coxsmall. Mike Coxsmall, what up? Oh, man. Still fucking salty that I kicked him out of the Discord. I was afraid that was going to happen. Not afraid. I was thinking that was going to happen, but I didn't get in. Is this really going to push all the way to the VWAP? You think this has the VWAP in it? It could. Look at this thing go. It's not that far. Yeah, let's do that. I'm in the right account. Okay. At least I know I'm in the right account. JK. Tony Gold. Peter Schapp, what up? Pretty good for the most part. All 4 of my XFAs have another day of 200 in. Well, I have one. Well, actually, it's day 1 for all of them. And this is a brand new Apex PA. It's up $900. Yep, that was it, man. I missed it. I missed the opportunity. I should have got in right around here where I had my fucking... It's just going to keep going. Maybe it pulls back for me. The market is closed on Friday. The market closes tomorrow. When the market closes tomorrow, it's done until like Sunday, which is crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself on Friday. I might stream anyway. I don't know why I would stream anyway, but I could put on a class on how to guess your way in and guess your way out to habitual payouts. Findy, I don't know, man. Maybe at the VWAP. Tova. I don't need to do that, bro. Arnie, what up? Nice, bro. Michael, what's good? Vinny Lee. Yeah, TJP. It's not the best idea to trade at work unless you could like be completely not distracted. Uway, what up? How to set up well charts? Maybe I will do that. I don't know. Maybe I will do that for a little while. Trump's talking right now? Is he? He doesn't even show up on Forex Factor anymore. Tomorrow we got you got finance rates for Europe, the euro. You got unemployment claims for the US. They might be, I mean, there's not, it's probably going to be thin volume though, if you think about it. It's probably going to be a little thin because the market is going to be closed on Friday. You talking about Venezuela? Sunday night, the market will reopen. AWAC. The market will reopen Sunday. Oh, I don't know, actually. Is it? I think so. What up, Stephen Cox? I don't know. You missed nothing but a casual 300-point bounce. Just, normal day in the office. I still think we're going to push to the VWAP. But if Trump is talking right now, yeah, Sunday. Yeah, thank you, Stephen Cox. That's what I figured. Yeah, Sunday night we reopen. So Friday we're closed. Oh, hey.
I need your I need
help. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Hold on.
Pause.
Pause.
Mute it.
Well, I will go into another room. I gotta help. I gotta help my wife and daughter with something. I'll be right back. Let me know what happens if I get filled on this. Sorry, guys. I gotta get more coffee anyway. Oh, I blew the account. Did I? What happened? It's blown? Of course. Thanks. I have my wife to thank for that. Trump is talking hard way. Now it's going to bounce. Actually, I don't know. Maybe we get a head and shoulders here. I had to help my wife with something that was important. More important than that fucking. I guess I could have canceled the order. I was kind of hoping I came back and it got filled and we'd be up 20 points. What up, Newts? It is going to be a long 3 days. Watch it. Watch. Where did I get filled on that account? This one. I got filled at 92, 92, 392. Look where it is. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. I got bottom ticked by like 3 points. Well, that would have been enough to pass. What did I fucking... Whatever. Crazy. Crazy. What up, Coach HID? I miscalculated where the bounce was going to be. I played the top of the zone. It came down towards here. Michael, what up? Yeah, I had to. I had just help basically. Well, I don't even want to talk about it. Something happened last night. I had to take my daughter to the ER. But it could have been a lot worse. And I just had to help them with that situation just now. So, anyway. If it meant me losing an account for $33, then so be it. I mean, I could have canceled the trade. I was right about the move, obviously. Of course I was right. Because I was right because I'm not in it anymore. That's how it usually goes. That's how it usually goes. Motherfucker. Funny how that works, right? Was right about the move of my entry. Obviously, I was over leveraged because I'm playing passive smash. This thing's gonna. I mean, look where we're up fucking 40 fucking points. I literally got bottom ticked by like 3 points. I got taken out at 81. I got taken out at 81.75. It went down as low as it went down 2 more points and then bounced 40. What else is new? Who's worrying me? No one. No one worries me. I had to take care of a family situation just now. Family is much more important than any of this shit. I can tell you that. And I don't mean any disrespect toward you guys, but I had to help. I had to help with something. It cost me an eval. Whoop-de-fucking do. We'll just do it again. We'll run it back. K-spec. No, it wasn't even like that. It was something else. It was. Thank you, guys. Thank you. It wasn't even. It sucked what happened. Well, whatever. I'll tell you. My fucking dog, Harvey, bit my daughter in the fucking face while I was at the gym. And kind of for no reason. And she has a mark right here that was pretty deep, like the smile line. So we took it. We didn't know if she was going to need stitches. We took it to the ER and they said, it's better off that you don't get stitches. So that little fucker, he's a fucking great dog too. I don't know what happened to him. He lunged at her face and latched on. Dope Book Futures, what up? No, I don't either. Obviously, we rescued him. All of our dogs are rescues. I think at the home he was in prior to ours, because he was somebody's dog at some point, and they probably threw him the fuck out. I think they had kids at the house, and the kids fucked with him. I think that's why. But she wasn't really doing anything. She does kind of pet him a little rough. My older daughter, my 18-year-old, she does pet him a little kind of rough. And like my two girls, they fuck around a lot in front of him. And I think it gives him anxiety. But it wasn't even like that. She was just sitting there petting him, saying goodnight. And he was laying with my other daughter on the couch. They were watching TV. And he just fucking went at her. He might have given her a warning sign. I don't know. I wasn't there. That motherfucker. He got lucky. I mean, she got lucky. She got lucky. So the doctor put one of those like steri strips on it to kind of hold it together last night. And it was falling off today while she was at work. So my wife needed my help to put another one, to put one on. Nah, Vito. I mean, we could agree to disagree on that, but maybe we should have done a better job training him. Like none of my other dogs would ever. We have 3 other dogs. They would never. What's crazy is like he has never tried to fucking bite me. I can tell you that much, or my wife. And he like sleeps right in our face. Obviously he feels the safest with us, but I don't know. Just sucks that it happened. Where are we at on this chart? Oh, we're almost at this pivot point. Yeah, Jamila. Maybe it's my fault for giving him that name. And of course, my wife feels, awful because like she's the one that brought him home. We have to. So like, so she's got all that shit going on, and and then we had like the anxiety of like they're gonna report the incident to animal control, and they're gonna come and put him in like a 10-day hold and all this shit. They don't do that. They don't report it unless it was like a stray or a brand new adoption or something. We've had him for over a year. But yeah. Paul. Yeah, he's got 2 different color eyes. He literally has 2 different faces. Is it going to go up? Look, shit, man. Am I going to fucking get suckered into this? It's just riding up this 9, I guess. Am I going to get suckered in? Am I going to get fucked here? I guess we're going to find out. I don't want to get suckered in. I'll just wait. Don Burberry. Crazy, right? It did bounce over 300 points. Yeah, she'll be okay, Newts. She got lucky. She got really fucking lucky. We're already down 15 points from this high. Like if I think I'm going to get filled down here, why don't I just go long? I mean, why don't I just go short here if I think I'm going to get filled down here? Since I'm just trying to pass this fucking thing. Thomas, what up? Tomas. Yeah. Well, I mean, we're already down 20 points. 17 points. But I still think it wants to work its way up to this level right here. We still got time. The market doesn't give a fuck what time it is lately. Real DGZ. Thank you, man. Oh. An error code every time? What kind of error code? I'm sorry that's happening. Ice Cube, what up? And is that ice cold? Is that ice cold cubes in your mouth? Is this cube? By the way, if you guys want to hang out in the best community, the biggest, the bestest, the largest, the most dope community on these prop firm streets, so good that other people that have their own Discords hang out in this Discord, in this community, join our Discord where the DCA gang hangs out. Oh, nice, Cube. Some transaction code, hella red numbers. I don't know what that's some fucking seems like a seems like a programming issue. This doesn't look good for a long. This does not look good for a long. I'm moving my order down. I would have gotten filled there. Watch it bounce now because I moved my order down. Watch it bounce 20 points. You fucking piece of shit. Fuck it. My order was like right here. I would have gotten filled and I'd be up how many points? Like 4. Nothing crazy, but I don't know, man. At least I don't have to trade anything important. Everything I had that needed to be traded is good now. Whoops. Now I'm scared. Uh-oh. I'm probably going to lose the account. It's probably going to get blown. Maybe I should have waited for when I lowered it to here. It's going to hit it. It's going to go down that far. Such a sucker. Is Trump still talking? Is that why? The bounce is probably like right around here. That's where the bounce is. So it's going to I'm going to get bottom ticked. I'm going to get bottom ticked, and then it's going to fucking bounce. It's just an eval. What's another eval? Stock, cards, and bets. You might be right, bro. I just don't know if this is the right spot. I'm not sure if that's the right spot. That's the only thing. I'm at 407. I don't know. No, it's gonna game over. I don't know. Why is it move now? It's starting to move around pretty quick for whatever's going on. What up, investors? TD, yeah, you can TD. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just make sure you're under 50% because they're real hardcore. It's got to be 50% or less on the consistency on the test accounts. Investors, there's none in here. There's none in here. Sorry to disappoint you. There's 4 in here. 4 active ones in here. I blew the other one, the brand new one I got yesterday. These are up $2,500. $2,500 through 4 days. So, I mean, these are looking good. But I still have to trade for 4 more days and not fuck up in 4 days. I mean, if I could get these paid, because I'm treating this like one account. These are being traded in a group. These are in the Zero Fucks Given concepts group. If I could get these through 8 days without violating any fucking rules, it'll be more than it'll make getting all those 20 accounts and activating all those 20 plus accounts more than worthwhile. Oh, I got it. Hey, passed another. There we go. We passed one. Not another one, but we got it. We did it, Joe. It's passed. Sorry, I got off the screen, but we got it. We got the move. I was watching the trade. I saw what was happening on this candle on TradeAvate, but I wasn't watching it. Stephen Cox. So, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, I had 20 accounts, and it was like, if you do the math, it's been like 22 or 23 since I got all those accounts. I don't have them anymore. I have 4. Now, well, I have 5. I have 5 accounts. I'll have 6. All I got to do is get a payout on these 4, or I get a payout on these 2, and all of that, I come out ahead on that. That's all I care about. Yeah, investors, like that's my goal too, man. Not to downsize, but just to stock cards and bets. I like where your head is at. It worked out. My goal is to hold on to accounts longer than one payout. We all know I could get to payouts, right? I've gotten plenty of payouts. Like I just got paid on these 3. Now, can I take these 3 to another payout? Even if I just do $200 a day, I need 4 more days of $200 a day, and I could take another $3,000. Give me $3,000 every 5 days. That's pretty cool. Just in Top Step. And I got this one. This is a brand new one. That's on day 1 as well. So now I have 4 accounts with day 1s in. But the goal is to hold on to accounts for more than one payout. That's the next phase for me. The next phase of my evolution is holding on to accounts for more than one payout. No, stock cards are best. That account's gone. And I was up $1,279 on it. And I said, I think I'm done dicking around. Watch this. Watch this, Discord. I literally said the other day, right here, at 10:51 my time, I literally said, I think I'm done dicking around with this account. I was up 1,247, and I wasn't done dicking around with it. I got up as high as like 1359, and then I started just losing and losing and losing and losing, and I was trading with decent size because the account's massive. And then I just got so fucking annoyed. I was halfway down. I was like, I'm going to blow this fucking thing on the stream, and that's exactly what I did. So, oh well. Did anybody – let's take a poll. Let's be fucking real and be honest. Did you actually think I would be able to grow? What up, Pine Tree? Scout, fuck the world. What's good? Did you actually think I would be able to grow that big account to 25K in profits? Quick poll. Be honest. We all fucking know it wasn't happening. We all fucking know it. I'm kind of skewing the data already by even saying that, but come on, let's just be real. Chilling, Scalp, chilling. Don't even apologize, Cube. It's nothing to be sorry about. I don't even fucking care. I'm over it. I'm better off not having that account. 00 Kevin. Yeah, investors. I got caught up in that chop, bro. And then I got off the stream. Was like, I need to go to sleep. I'm literally running on fumes. I think I slept 2 hours if I was lucky before that, the night before. And I just kept fucking streaming. I mean, I kept trading. I stayed up another hour and just blew more accounts. It was awful. I was trading serious until I fucking started giving up all my gains. Once I was down halfway, I could give a fuck less about it. I'm telling you, I'm a certain way. Once I already know, I could already see the writing on the wall way before some shit's about to happen. I already know. I already fucking know. I knew it. It's once something started happening, I knew what was going to happen. So, oh well. What did I lose really? Did I lose $13,000? No, I lost $16.70 plus 85. The only thing I did lose was the time. Whatever. It's fine. But I lost $101. I didn't lose the time. The time wasn't a complete waste. The time wasn't a complete waste because it was just another reason, another way for me to learn how to not be a dumb fuck. Benny. Thank you, Benny. Probably hanging out with other streamers. Bacon, what up? I don't know, Giorgio. I don't know, bro. I can't explain it to you. And I don't have to either. Ralph Gruns. Obviously, there's something with how I'm wired. This is the way I'm wired. I suck. Now I don't have to worry about it anymore. Now I don't have it anymore, so I don't have to worry about it. I can focus on shit that's more attainable. Now I can focus on shit that's more attainable. And while that happened, I locked $3,242 from Top Step. So it's not like I'm not getting fucking payouts. That's what I keep telling people. Yeah, it sucks. It doesn't look great. People cringe when they see it. Some people say, I'm not going to lie, Jay. It's tough to watch. Good. Then don't fucking watch. Get the fuck out of here. Yet, if you're one of those people who say it's tough to watch, why are you still here then? Meanwhile, I got just under $8,000 in payouts from Top Step in the last fucking month. Yeah, Giorgio, it was a test account, bro. It was a test account. You're better than me. Most of you guys are better than me. What do you want me to say? All I can do is just keep trying to get better. I'm getting better every day. All of the shit that happens is making me better. I am getting payouts. That's all. At some point, I will cut the fucking... If I could cut my dumb fuckery by 30, 40, 50%, the sky's the limit. But until then, this is what it's going to be. If some of you guys don't like it, then get the fuck out of here. And I'm not talking to you, Georgia. Some people actually say, I can bear to watch. Then leave. There's plenty of other people that stream. Maximus. Rated for life. Oh, yeah. You missed, yeah, no, not really. It's not even Giorgio. Giorgio just wants me to win. So he gives me tough love. Yeah, I clearly my mind isn't perfectly dialed in, bro. We all know it. We all know I do dumb shit all the time. But there are people that'll be like, I can't bear to it's tough to watch. All right, so what are you doing here? Unless you like watching the lost porn too. Some people like the lost porn more than the other shit. If I'm losing my mind and I'm completely on tilt, that's when I get the most viewers for whatever reason. The most YouTube knows. It's like, yo, this motherfucker's about to lose his shit. Go watch his stream. Don't let Coffee Buff. And Coffee Buff's the homie. Bundy. You know, it's funny, Ralph. They gave me a little shit because I came on. I went on the top. They weren't like mad at me, but like I went on Top Step TV with a sleeveless shirt, like one of my gym shirts. That's all I wear is gym clothes. They were like breaking my balls about it a little bit because the guns were out. I might wear a fucking suit next time I go on there, and there will be a next time. You know what else is funny? They called me. The chat was called today. The chat was called because they were talking about us, which is great. Keep talking about. Keep saying my fucking name. They were calling us the Jerky Boys. The best code. Cash Clay, what up? Thank you, man. I'm going to wear a suit. I'm going to rent the tux. Like, hey, guys, I'm here. I'm here for my appearance. Wear a top hat. Top of the morning to you. I'll put on a mustache. Curly mustache. Next trade, Lou, what up? Tony Gold. MLH, what up? Or is it MIH? I can't, hold on. I think it's MIH. Let me see. I got to paste this shit in here. Oh, it's MLH. Yeah. Major League Hacker. LeBron's. I lost respect for you, Jay. Dope book. Dope book. Yeah, Giorgio, of course, man. Both of us can. But like, you know, it's a lot easier to trade a demo account that there's literally no pressure. If we could actually figure out a way to like translate the no pressure feeling to the shit that does matter, we'd probably be unstoppable. But we all know that's not going to happen. I can't tell you, I still get butterflies and my adrenaline, like my adrenaline starts going crazy when I'm on the last day. When I'm on a way of When I'm like this close to clinching a payout, I fucking get anxious. My adrenaline is rushing. I'm fucking like feeling like my heart starts racing. It's crazy. I'm still trying to figure out a way to not be like that, because any other day in the process of working to a payout, I'm never like that. It's just that last fucking day. Even when I clinched these two, I was like, ugh. I was like fucking like, you know, and it shouldn't be like that. Like if I could get that out of my system, I'd be better off. Gino, what up? Rehab for Degens. Degens Anonymous. Well, that's what the Discord's for. Rated for life. I don't do that at all, actually. I don't do that. This is a T. Cooper. Eat Skittles. Like fucking Marshawn. Maybe that's the secret. The guy would fucking just put a fucking pile of Skittles in his mouth and then just go run through motherfuckers. Christian, you have 5 combine with Top Step? All right, what's the question, bro? Just ask it. Yeah, rated for life. You ever hear of no FAP? The only way that anything along those lines is happening is if unless I'm with my wife. Barlow, what up? Yeah, Barlow. It's just like I'm on the cusp. As soon as I eliminate the dumb fuckery, it's also because I trade loose and I trade with bigger size. As soon as I eliminate the dumb shit, I'm telling you, if I get rid of just half of the dumb shit, I'll be fucking doing stupid numbers every month. But I'm getting paid habitual payouts. Still, I have not missed a month since I got paid July. Well, I got my first ever payout in May. It'll be a year. It'll be in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, it'll be my 1 year anniversary of getting my first payout ever. After 7 months of not getting shit. I missed June, but then July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 10 months in a row I've gotten payouts. 10 months in a row. The next phase, well, I had 2 months that I did 5 figures. Those were super profitable months. February sucked. Last month I did over 9,000. This month I'm at 5,242. I just got to eliminate the dumb fuck shit and I'll be good. Nudes. I don't think it's great to run through accounts either, bro. I'm trying. I'm doing my best not to. How long does it take? Take profit traded, deposit money to the wallet? It depends on when you request. What is my dog barking at now? What the fuck? Is the pool guy here? My wife's boyfriend's here. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Trade micros, Mark. Yeah. You know, that's the other thing too. Like, I trade minis. And then when I fuck up and I blow accounts, people tell me to size down. How about if I just take better trades? If I took a good trade, it wouldn't matter what I was trading. But yeah, I leave myself very little room for error, depending on how the market's moving. That's a fact. But hey, if I take better trades, it wouldn't matter. Or if I hold trades longer, it wouldn't matter. Hold winning trades longer. So there's so many different ways to look at it. There's no right or wrong way. I just need to be, my discipline. I'm getting more disciplined, even though it looks bad. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better as a trader. Let me see what the fuck is going on out here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'll be right back. Is everything okay? What are you barking at? Come on. Lay down. Hold it here. Hold it here. No. Sorry, guys. Oh, look at that dump. I had to talk to the pool boy, AKA my wife's boyfriend. I had to tell him something. I had to say, listen, motherfucker. I don't care if you're the pool boy. Arnie. Hell yeah, ice cold trading. Cashcraft. Sean, just keep her. Nah, there's something going on with the water. You know, I have like these, they're called shear descents. They're like waterfalls. They're not supposed to be on, but every time like the pool starts back up for the day, for the filter to run or whatever, the fucking things are on and they're not programmed to run. So then I'll turn them off. But you know what happens? The filter's running harder. So it's using more electricity. So what'll happen is even when I turn them off, it's still dripping out of there the whole day. So he was here. That's what the dogs were barking at. I wanted to ask him if I should submit a ticket to get it fixed or whatever. So that's what's going on. Christian, oh shit, my bad, Christian. No, it's programmed to not do it, baby bird. I know how to use the Pentair. It's programmed to not do it. I got to get it. It's got to get fixed. Micah. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much on the same boat because I had to activate all those fucking accounts. Yeah, Arnie. Dude, they freeze me out in this fucking house, man. It's already like 90 degrees here, too. Let me find your question. I don't know. I don't coffee. Because they said, and you were joking. And he was like, and I was like, you want to bet? I don't know why they hate on you because they didn't. It's so easy to take anything out of context when it's just in text, in chat. We're all sitting here. You know how many times I've taken some shit that someone said in here out of context? And the reason why I'm always on the defensive because there's always someone in here fucking talking shit to me. Not always, but like once in a while. It's usually there's really just one person that creates account after account after account because they want to lick the peanut butter off my nuts. But other than that, once in a while, someone to come in here, especially in the beginning when I was establishing myself as a streamer, you know, a lot of people had some shit to say. And I got rid of all those fucking losers. But like, it's easy to take shit out of context. But I know you didn't mean any harm by it. Of course, Coffee Buff. But you might end up winning the bet. You're 4 accounts away from winning the bet. If I could get, unless I get the job done here. The life of a simfluencer. Yup. I put myself out there. Where's Christian? Cashcraft. You like that shit? Yo, Christian, let me find your question, bro. I want to answer it for you. Maybe someone in the chat already did, but I'm going to check. We'll see. Channel activity. Should you activate it? What? They had a glitch in the trading platform. It shows as ineligible. I have 5 comments with Top Step. They had a glitch in the trading platform. It shows as ineligible. It continued to let me trade even though my account was at 45K. Now I passed the combine even though I blew it. Just an email from them to activate it. Yo, if you can activate the account, if you log into your account and it says activate, or if there's usually like a button at the top where all the account, you know, where you could do the drop down for your accounts, and it says activate express funded account, do it. Just activate that shit. If it's activatable, do it. Or submit a ticket and wait for them to get back to you about what happened. iPro 16. Talking about an iPad? Or are you talking about a phone? Coach Fred didn't blow an Apex funded account. Nice job, bro. Josh. Yeah, I know, Josh, and thank you. I know I've gotten better as a trader. What up, Corey? A Mac Pro. Dude, buy a used one. Find one on, I don't know if you're living in an area with a lot of people. If you do, buy a used one off of the Facebook Marketplace. 4K is a lot, man. Fuck that. I don't know. Matty Matt. Yeah. They're definitely going through some growing pains. Double O Kevin. There you go. Yo, stock cards and bets and Double O Kevin. Link up. Yeah, Vito, it was much easier. Just let me log into my Apex account. Like I've done this before, but let's do a little fun exercise here. Like I would be overall profitable with them if they didn't change their fucking rules. Let's just be real. They changed their payout format. They did change their payout format, but look at all these payouts. If I do the math on all of these payouts that are not 2,000, which would have been 2,000 before November, right? All of these would have been $2,000. Do the math. I would be a profitable trader with Apex. Let's do it real quick. Let's do it. Let's add it all up. Nothing changed other than the buffer, right? Forget about the 30% rule and all this other shit. Let's do some fucking math. 1,493 plus 1238. 4,000 minus 1238 is 1762. No, 2762 plus 1,049 plus 1,059 plus 1,360, 2,720 plus 1,459 plus 1,310 plus 1,405 plus 2,150 plus 1,486. Look, if they didn't change their fucking payout rules, I would have made another 16,893 with them. Or if I would have went for max payout every single time. But would I have gotten the max payout every single time? Maybe, maybe not. We all saw what happened just recently when I was at max payout land and I couldn't get the job done because I had one day too many, one big day, which made me try to go another $383. That's $16,893 right there. More of payouts I would have had if they kept their shit the same. So obviously it worked. Their plan worked. They're paying out less money. Even if people are still getting payouts left and right, and you got the fucking oddball guys like Jade Cap, or the random guys that'll get these $2 million payouts and shit like that, or the 1.5. Forget about them. Let's just talk about everybody else. Right? There it is right there. What up, Richard Harris? What's up? Okay. Josh Mode. What up, kid? Thomas Pellerin, what's good? Bundy, are we dropping? Holy shit. I guess we weren't going to the VWAP. What did Trump say? What did he say? Is it because of this press briefing? This press briefing? I said press briefing. We dropped how many fucking points from that high? 18,440 down to, we dropped 100 points. We dropped 100 points 20 minutes before the market closes officially for the day. Christian, if you go through the activation process, they're not going to, if they let you activate it, They're not going to take it from you. Maybe they realized there was a glitch. Just fucking activate it, bro. If you're able to activate it, it's in your dashboard and you could press the button to activate it, do it. If not, submit a ticket and try to clear up whatever happened. Stock Cars and Bet said he's been trading for 8 years. He's trading with a personal account too, not just prop firm accounts. And he said this is the hardest year ever so far. Coach Fred. Newt's left because he was Newt's. Next trade, Lou. I mean, there's nothing for me to trade anymore. I'm done trading. What a crazy drop, though. What a crazy drop. And then we just bounced. We literally just bounced like 40 points. It's fucking 454. We dropped 100 points and just bounced 40 with 6 minutes left for the market to close. Yeah, on Dress, it's usually real quick. I don't know about Rhythmic or anything, but on Tradeovate, it's usually instant. Like literally, like Giorgio said, it's just like a few seconds. Like you process the reset. You could blink your eyes and then go refresh Tradeovate and it should be in there. That's how it usually is for me. Oh, Josh mode, yeah. I think Giorgio answered your question. Yeah, anything over the buffers, like here are all the take profit trader account sizes and shit. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJay to get 30% off plus no activation fee. But the thing that you're asking is the buffers. On the 50K, it's anything over 2,000. But anything on any size account, anything over these buffers is what you could request. You have to be over the buffer. And then the trick is you request down to the buffer or whatever. I request as much as I can anytime I could get to that point. And the goal is to just keep staying over the buffer. You can literally get paid every day. Did I not turn my screen back on? Oh, no, I did. This is crazy price action. We just bounced from 338 to 375, and now we're down. What the fuck is going on? What's going on? Tariffs. Requesting 22K after 5 p.m. on what account, bro? What prop firm? That's fucking amazing. No, Stock Cars and Bets. They haven't been 11 Apex. Fuck yeah, bro. Make sure you come in here and tell us that you got approved so I could say Apex doesn't pay their traders, because that's like my favorite thing to do when people keep getting paid left and right. Carmino Coat, what up? He knows exactly what he's doing. He knows exactly what he's doing, bro. They only pay YouTubers. They only pay their streamers, Pine Tree. Thank you, Josh, man. I appreciate it, bro. The best code with the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Yeah, please do. Join the Discord and hang out with us in there, too. The Discord is where it's at. Where the DCA gang hangs out. You got people in there saying, my trading has gotten better. Just because I hang out in here, my trading has gotten so much better. And it's not because of me. It's because of everyone else. Yes, Kenny. Fuck yeah, bro. Hell yeah. I love it. I love it. Yeah, Newts, man. At least Apex is consistent with their fuckery. And everybody's going to get mad. People are going to get mad if Top Step changes these rules and adds a consistency rule. Just remember, Apex always gets the most shit because they do it all first. Apex changes the rules first all the time. So they get the most shit for it. But when anybody else does it, it's not that big of a deal. No, not yet, Roger. Not yet. We need to wait for Paytech to ask his burner account what, and he needs to ask his burner account what he should do. On Top Step, it's an issue, bro. Carmino. It changes the whole approach. It changes your whole approach. You can't go for that one big day one. People take massive shots with Top Step accounts knowing there's no consistency rule. And there's no trailing. It's not trailing either. It's not trailing drawdown. So no consistency rule and no trailing. People take big shots on the first day, and then they coast the rest of the way. They get that massive big day in, and then they go for $200 days the rest of the way, and they still take a max payout. It still doesn't trail. I get it, bro. But if I could get $3,000 on day one and then just get four $200 days after that, with the consistency rule, I can't do that anymore. Well, that's you, bro. It doesn't affect you. So you'll be fine. I like going for a big first day if I could get it. I mean, I didn't go for a huge one on this one. I got 500. Sometimes I'll get 1,500 on the first day or 2,000 and then try to cruise the rest of the way. For you, it doesn't affect you. For a lot of people, it will. And we all know that these rule changes aren't to make us better traders, right? We all know that by now, right, guys? It's all about fucking preservation of capital and profits for the firm. And I'm fine with that. At least just know that it's never about making us a better trader. It's all about keeping the shit going. What's an orange order? I don't know what platform are you using? Are you on like Rhythmic or something? I'm using Tradeovate, so I never see orange. Yeah. You know what I did say on Top Step TV once though, Cashcraft? I was like, you know, I was on by myself a couple weeks ago, and I was, you know, was getting a little rowdy in there. AKA I was getting rowdy. I was like, you know, I was very comfortable. And I said, yo, fucking Paytech's gonna hit your burner phone, Andre, and tell you to cut me off. I said that shit on the stream because of what happened with what was the dude that was trading 15 minis in his live account, and fucking he got kicked off the stream. Oh, it's frozen as fuck. Oh, Trading Ninja? Yeah, I don't know, bro. It could be a connectivity issue or it's Ninja. I don't know. 15 minis, no stop, Jim Blob. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Carmino code, you're good, bro. 81% is great. I'm happy for you. Some people like going for the big day. Look at fucking Dakota. I mean, he's trading with a live account, but his win rate is like, what is his win rate? In the 40s, 30s? I don't even know what his win rate is. Low as fuck. But he's making money. His name was oh yeah, I remember him, Stacks. Yeah. 40-something%. It's not about how much it's, you know, in that regard with Dakota, I think it's all about like his average, like what he gets on when he wins versus what he loses when he loses. You know, 81%. I've seen it with myself. I could have an 81% win rate and still find a way to blow an account. Win rate is cool, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Let's see what my win rate is on these accounts. What's my win rate on this shit? 60%. 60% win rate, but I'm still up $2,500. And I have all of my drawdown. So I don't care. Even if my win rate was 30%. Usually my win rate's in this like 65 to 80%. What's my win rate on these? It's not even that good on these. But I just got paid. My win rate, let's do, well, yeah, I've had that. My win rate on these three XFAs is 59%. But I just got paid $3,200 across all three. Do you think I give a fuck about my win rate that much? Not really. F4, I did pretty good today. I only had one mishap. I blew this funded account last night when I knew I knew the direction it was going to go, and I just didn't fucking. I shouldn't have even been trading. It was moving too slow for my liking. It did exactly what I thought I was going to do, and I just found a way to fuck it up. But these four are good. I'm halfway. I got 4 days in. They're at 2,541. These three, I just needed to flip. These three take profit trader accounts since they're already passed. These I just got paid on. They took the money out, and then I went and got my first $200 day. So I'm going for payout number 2. Obviously, I have a long way to go. I need 4 more days of 200 or more. This is a brand new XFA. This is the one I passed yesterday on Top Step TV for the stream. This is day 1. I got $509. So those 4 XFAs are looking good. Still need 4 more days on all of them. And then this brand new Apex PA, I got up $907. I did it for the stream today. And I went 1 for 2 playing pass or smash. And I think the only reason why I lost the other one is because I left the trade. I left the order in and didn't make an adjustment. But whatever. I had to help my wife and daughter with something. So I walked away and I came back and the shit was blown. And I made up for it with this one. So pretty good, solid fucking day. I'll take it. Any day I get closer, anytime I could get closer to payouts with accounts is a good day for me. Yeah, he's definitely on the payroll. I know that. Overtrading is real, man. 1,000%, bro. He trades gold a lot too, doesn't he? You could get shit like that with gold. Look at fucking gold. Look at gold. This is the daily chart, man. Let's look at the weekly chart. Look at gold on the weekly. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. We're up 1,500 points from October 2023. Gold literally almost doubled. Literally almost doubled. I don't know. Tickle, I don't know. I think he is, though. He's on all the time. He's on like every day, bro. Why wouldn't... I'm not going on every day for free. I can tell you that much. I can tell you that much. Thanks, F4. Thank you. Yeah, Pine Tree, yeah. Anyone who's on there every day is getting paid. But he's also a good trader. You know, so he's double dipping. By the way, you guys want to follow me on Twitter? There's my... Yeah, I'm not saying... Look, I'm not saying anything bad about Dakota. I don't, you know... He also had a little help with how he definitely benefited from his relationship with them because of how they took all of his XFAs and put them into a live account together, and that's not how they do it now. So he got grandfathered in. So he had a little bit of head start, but he still had to win all your trades. He got it not in one time. I think he's gotten 600,000 in payouts. Yeah, I'm not a swing trader. I'm not a trend trader. I need to win more. I need to win a lot more with when I scalp. That was allowed back then. Yeah, he got like they did that right. You know, he definitely got a little help. But either way, he can still he can still win with a smaller balance. He just has a big balance. Carmino Code. Don't tell me what I should want. I don't care if I'm a live trader or not. As long as the money hits the bank, and all I'm doing is simfluencing trading, I'm just sim trading to habitual payouts, I don't care. If you want that, that's great. Would I like to have a live account at some point? Of course. But I don't need to. Of course, I'd love to take these 4 XFAs 30 days deep and get forced into, what is it? You have to get a certain amount of payouts. I would love to get all 4 of these XFAs to the point where they say, listen, you have to go live, Jay. You have no choice but to go live. But there's plenty of people that will, what is it, 25K per account? There's plenty of people that will milk the XFAs for as much as they can. And right before they get to that point where they could where they have no choice but to go live, they'll blow the accounts on purpose and then do it again. I'm not saying I'm advocating that. I just know there's people who do it. Because there's some people out there that show all these big numbers and all these big payouts, but I never see them on the live leaderboard. They don't move them. I don't think they do that now. All right, cool, Carmino. Is that what you're doing, bro? I love that for you. Everybody's on their own path. Maybe I don't want to have live accounts yet. I'm not even thinking about 30 days. Let me see if I could get to my second payout with these accounts. I'm thinking about getting more than one payout on accounts. It's a lot different now. Dan knows it's more different. It's a lot different now. It's not like it was 3 months ago. They changed some shit recently. Yeah, so now you can only have one live account. If you have one live account, if you have a live account, you can't trade any combines and you can't trade XFAs. If someone's always on, I mean, I don't know. I'm on like once a week at this point now. I'm not getting paid. I don't get paid in any way. I get nothing. I don't get free accounts. I get nothing. I don't ask for anything either. I don't ask for anything. If my fucking channel comes up organically while we're fucking hanging out, or the fact that I stream comes up organically when we're hanging out on this, when I'm on Top Step TV, then I consider that my payment. Or if I get lucky enough and they drop my link in the chat, I consider that my payment. Other than that, I'm not getting shit. Carmino, Rips doesn't fucking trade on Top Step anymore. Rips talked so much shit about Apex. All he did was talk shit about Apex, and now he's an Apex affiliate, trading Apex accounts. He's trading Apex evaluations and getting 90% off. We're bouncing around topic from topic. I'm getting, my ADD is kicking in. I don't even know where we're at. I lost track. I can't worry about what Rips is doing. I don't give a fuck about Rips. No offense to him. I could give a fuck less. Clearly, I'm not understanding. But at the same time, I don't give a fuck either. I've also seen Rips. Well, I don't watch him. I watched his stream I watched one of his streams for like 10 minutes and kind of got turned off. I caught him at a bad time. He was talking about how he was on his 5th Ferrari. And God bless him. I love that. I'm happy for him and his success. But I was like, I'm on my 5th Volkswagen. Actually, I've had more than 5 Volkswagens. I've had 4 Audis. So let's see. I had a Scirocco. I had 2 Jettas. My wife had a Jetta. I had an Atlas, and I had 4 Audis. The next Volkswagen, Audi, or whatever I get will be my 10th Volkswagen. How's that for a flex? I don't know. He blows funded accounts. Yeah, he must have done that off stream, Carmino, because he blows his funded accounts all the time. Pine trees on his 3rd Corolla. And I like whatever. I know Rips is a good trader. I don't give a like I said, I don't fucking care. Eddie. I just remember seeing the tweet he posted on Twitter. I am up $63,473 on Apex Trader Funding evaluations today. I remember him posting that. What do you mean? You passed a bunch of evals? Cool. My propaganda mind is corrupt. I don't know. I think you're the one who's fucking. I don't know. I don't know what your problem is, bro. But I don't give a fuck. Roger Adams. All right, we get it. All right, cool. He does it. Yeah. I'm not talking about personal accounts. We're talking about prop firms. He's better at trading his personal account than the prop firms, apparently. Cool, man. I love that for him, bro. Seems like you're very happy for him. Why don't you go watch him some more then? Yeah, why don't you fucking the peanut butter? What brand of peanut butter are you on right now? Jiffy, Skippy, Jif? What peanut butter is it? Jesus Christ. What up, D-Walk? What brand? What are we on? I used to love Jif. Is it the nutty kind or is it the smooth kind? Let me know. Like, I have nothing against the guy. I respect him, but I'm not going to fucking sit here and fucking stroke his ball sack. Get the fuck out of here. I'm not even good for him, man. And good for you for being impressed by it. I hope you could repeat the same success. Big time. Big time. Good. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him. Can't wait to hear about the 6th Ferrari. Franny. Yeah, I could see that, bro. Me too. I love it too. I can't wait to hear about the 6th Ferrari and how much more dangerous it is than the first 5. Yeah. Tickle. I like some sort of happy medium. Marco, I'm going for like when I want to pick up like I'm going to go the Scott Triste route one day and pick up like a fucking 12-year-old fucking Audi R8. And I'll say, this is my 10th Volkswagen. The previous 9 Volkswagens were nowhere near as fast as this. It's scary. Why would I trade a real account when I could just trade prop firm accounts? You have no idea what I envision myself as. The big balls part already happens. I walk in anywhere and act like I fucking own it. Carmino, man, it's funny, man, bro. Yeah, Carmino, thank you, Carmino Code. You're making everybody laugh. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you stopping by. Haven't seen you in a while. I'm glad you decided to stop by and tell us about how awesome Rips is. We all know about Rips. Most of these guys hang up, watch his stream even for 5 minutes if they could bear it. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about what he does. I don't care about what Rips does. I don't care about what Patrick does. I don't care about what Nutty and Alpine do, although I wish them the most of success. I like those guys. I have nothing against Patrick. I don't have anything against Rips either. I don't give a fuck what they do. I'm not worried about what they do. I'm worried about what I do. I'm against myself. All I'm trying to do is become a better version of myself every single day. I have plenty of people I can look to in my own fucking Discord where the DGen fam hangs out that I can say, damn, there's levels to this shit. Because there's some fucking beast traders in the Discord. Am I what are you talking about, bro? No, I'm not intimidated by his deep voice. I don't give a, like, I just don't care. Yeah, I'm getting off in a couple minutes. I know. It's 2:18 actually, Melissa. Motherfucker's here. Pine Tree's intimidated by his fucking gel. Like I have nothing against him, but man, the dick riding, bro. Carmino, why don't you just get yourself a pair of knee pads and just go under his desk next time he's streaming? We're all on a fucking journey here. What up, Daryl? Don Burberry. Full tilt, what up? Yeah, he's not talking about straight to funded anymore, right? Because he's pushing Apex. Maybe he does. I think he pushes trade iffy too. Complex. What up? D-Walk. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Giorgio, exactly. Marco. Yeah, I don't know. Does Rips hide his account numbers? I don't even know. Does he show his account numbers? I don't even know. I don't even care. That's one thing you'll never see me hiding unless I'm doing it on purpose to make fun of people who hide their accounts. Hold on. Hey. Whoops. Yeah, they never gave him the affiliate link, so he bounced. He shows them. Well, that's cool. At least he shows his account numbers. Good for him. Like I said, I have nothing against the guy. I don't care. Good for him. I wish him nothing but the best. I respect and admire his fucking trading prowess, but I don't give a fuck. I definitely don't give a fuck enough to go watch his stream again. I can tell you that much. Chef Trades, what up? Yeah. You put Rips in a room with a bunch of Carmino coats, and Rips will want to get the fuck out of there as fast as possible. Nice job, Chef. Nice fucking job. Yeah, how much you got to pay to be in the marketing clubhouse or whatever the fuck it's called? All right, be good, F4. All right, guys, I got to bounce too. I got to make my update videos. So as much as I'd like to hang out all day, maybe we'll just have a fucking, maybe on Friday we'll hang out anyway. I don't know what I'm going to do Friday with myself because I can't trade and I can't stream. I can stream, I just can't trade. Mwah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. I'm going to be doing a whip stream later. I'm going to be doing a whip stream later from my second Lexus, my second LS430. And I still have the other one too. I don't know which LS430 I'm going to be streaming from. I'll surprise you guys. I'll be on around 10:30 Eastern, 10:30, 11 o'clock Eastern, depending on when I get to practice and my son has practice. So I'll be streaming from my second Lexus later, the LS430. Hopefully I'll see you guys then. If not, I'll see you for the overnight or for Power Hour tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.